Make a small hole, and then I think my head will do the rest.
Oh. Hi, my name is Elisa, and today my fiance is cutting my hair. Woo!
Hello, your hair color is here.
Hello.
It is very long right now.
It's so long, like.
Yeah, it's almost your butt.
It's like to my butt.
Hair is not as perfect as that mannequin in the video.
I'm not a mannequin.
Yeah, why can't you do it at least?
So you would hold it where you want to put it, like that, and then wrap it through. Why does this happen? How many college graduates does it take to put together?
20 minutes later.
Why is it so hard?
Maybe we should get
Unexpected hard part.
Unexpected hard part. Maybe we should get the kitchen elastics.
Moments later.
It doesn't look clearly organized anymore. Did you move your hair?
No.
Are you sure?
No.
Okay. Just showing our progress a little. That's
4 moments later.
maybe I should just tape the elastic closed, and it wouldn't require me to twist it as many times. Alright, I'll be right back. Don't move your hair, Lisa.
Nothing has happened yet, literally, and it's been 30 minutes. But it's okay. There's a first time for learning everything. Oh my god. What am I, a package? Am I a package, Harry?
Yeah, the whole package.
Oh, that's quite nice, thank you. Oh my god.
It's not taping your hair, it's just taping the elastic shut. Okay, that looks good. That's all you need, really.
I need to show this to the camera. Do you see this? What is this? I'm sorry, I'm making your life harder.
It's okay, I'm used to it. I know you're capable, resilient, and productive, so it's fine if you make my life a little harder. That should be good.
Do I look like Little Red Riding Hood?
A little bit. You ask me this every time you wear something wrong.
Oh, it's because of the pigtails.
Oh, I see. Very young people thing.
I'm still a young person.
Okay, looks good. And then let's do the last one. That's right.
I trust you, Harry. I
Here.
trust you with my beautiful hair.
Yeah, just stay still.
Oh, so painful.
Oh, sorry, the tape has some downsides, I guess. It's also not super straight.
Just go with.
Okay, so now what he did is just do this and then cut downwards. So around the length that you want. Not exactly this way, but this way. Let's just start that.
1 eternity later.
It's done!
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup.
It's okay. I'll survive.
No, that's fine. We just intend to take it off. So I do think that the elastics, strictly speaking, are optional if you're not cutting your own hair. If you're cutting your own hair, you can't hold two strands of hair and ensure they're the same length. But if you're cutting someone else's hair, you have the ability to do
Got
that.
no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah.
how it looks right now.
It's like, woo!
Yeah, that's
It's much higher on this side than this side.
Yeah.
What's supposed to be? It's supposed to be flat, like a little bit.
A
like
little
that.
bit of a dip, but yeah, mostly close
Oh,
to
my
flat.
hair looks so healthy though. It looks really
Yeah, it looks
luscious.
very nice.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah,
Nice
yeah.
head of hair.
Yeah, I agree.
Don't you love when we take our time to make love? Promise you I'm not wasting time.
Ooh. Those are Harry's PJ pants over there. Just stripping outside. Well, real casual.
Promise you I'm not wasting time.
You're doing great. I can feel the nice pressure and the rumbling.
Promise you I'm not wasting time. In the bathtub, we don't gotta rush, no. Never gonna rush, no. My life's in a slow-mo, always in a slow-mo. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute.
Like I said to my coworkers, I don't have a lot of confidence in my haircutting abilities, but I have great confidence in my ability to do things I watch on YouTube.
Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute.
Put a hole where my head goes.
Oh, right, I remember.
Make a small hole, and then my head will do the rest.
Second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. You got me feeling loved, even though I hold us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being too much.
I think it's fine. I think taking that off and then evening this out without the big gap from last
I
time.
hold us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being so. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second.
Oh, yeah, this looks good. I think you can. So the front part you don't want any shorter, but like this heft here,
Yeah.
it doesn't really matter to the lick, and it
Okay.
just makes me feel hotter. So like some of the interior,
Okay.
Like,
Maybe I'll use clippers for this.
yeah, you could do that.
I'll just use like the 5.
Yeah, just this interior heft over here. Like the shape in the front already looks good, but the top feels very heavy still. Like,
Oh, now it's lunchtime. It's 11:30.
yeah.
Oh! Oh!
Is it like a really short guy?
Yeah. Oh
It's probably fine.
no. Okay, hold on.
Yeah, it mostly looks fine.
No, it looks terrible.
You can fix
Oh. How will I fix it? Oh, how did I get the wrong guide? Ah!
it. No, that's fine. Just use
Yeah,
the
I'll
5.
just even it out a little
It's
bit.
fine.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Harry. At least it's at the very top. Yeah, I can even it out a little bit.
Did you get the 2
I
guard?
got the 2!
I mean, 2
How did I
is
get
like
the
a
wrong
flip
color?
5.
Oh, what?
2 is like a flip 5.
5. Yeah,
so-
I think I saw it this way. Oh my god, no! Oh. Okay, it's okay. I can fix this.
On a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute, another minute.
I don't think I'm meeting anyone over 6 feet.
It just looks like I cut a hole here.
Well, that's what you did, so I don't think there's much we can do to fix it.
Yeah, it looks looks so much better on the other side. I can't believe I got picked the wrong card. Oh no.
Okay, alright, let's finish